Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the edge out of memory error. This error usually happens due to cache issues, browser overload, or problematic extensions. First, try a hard refresh on the page. Press Ctrl Shift R on your keyboard to reload the page without using cached data. If the error continues, delete your browsing data. Click the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. Go to Privacy, Search and Services, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Click on Choose What to Clear. Set the time range to All Time. Select Cookies and Other Site Data. Uncheck Download History and Browsing History. Then click Clear Now and restart Edge. Check again if the issue is resolved. Next, check your extensions. Click the three dots, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. Disable all extensions if you have any installed. Restart Edge and check again if the issue is fixed. Then enable extensions one by one to find the cause. Remove any extension that is causing the problem. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the edge out of memory error by refreshing the page, clearing cache, and disabling extensions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.